Seomra, Codlata, Salach. Is Misha Anna, Shinny Magrifur, Rosa is anim de. Sha ar Seomra Codlata, Bian Mohiv den Seomra Aglan, Bian Thiv Rosa an Salach, Bian Eide agus Bregan in ngach arts. Is foola me. Seomra Codlata, bedroom. Salach, dirty or messy. Bian Mohiv, my side is, Aglan, very clean, and Salach, very dirty or messy. Eide, clothes, Bregan, toys, in ngach arts, everywhere, is foola me. I hate it. Cad is anim de grifur Anna. Rosa is anim de. Cé leis an Seomra Codlata. Is le Rosa agus Anna an Seomra Codlata. An mian Thiv Rosa glán nu Salach. Bian Thiv Rosa Salach. Cad a bhíon in ngach áit. Bhíon Eide agus Bregan in ngach áit. An má le chana é sin. Is fúalathe é.